Hi everyone. Today we are diving into an exciting plugin for BuddyPress users, the BuddyPress Schedule Activity plugin. If you're managing a community site with BuddyPress, you're going to love this one. So what exactly is BuddyPress Activity? In simple terms, it's a plugin that allows you to schedule posts and activities on your BuddyPress site, whether you want to announce events, share updates, or keep your community engaged with timely content. This plugin has got you covered. So what can be the use of this plugin? Imagine being able to plan your content ahead of time, much like you do with social media posts. In BuddyPress Schedule Activity, you can set specific dates and times for activities to be published on your community site. This means you can keep your community active even when you're not online, perfect for maintaining engagement around the clock. Some of the key features of this plugin include Schedule Activity, which helps you to easily set future dates and times for your posts. Recurring activities, which helps you create recurring activities to keep your community engaged regularly. It has customizable options such as activity types, content, and timing to fit your needs. Also, its simple to use feature helps it very easy with someone who doesn't have any prior knowledge in coding to make it his cup of tea. To buy this plugin or to access this plugin, you can simply go to wbcomdesigns.com and search BuddyPress Schedule Activity, and you're going to land on this page. And to try a demo before even buying this beautiful plugin, to access this plugin, all you need to do is go to wbcomdesigns.com and search for BuddyPress Schedule Activity, and you can try the demo by clicking demo over here, and it will take you to a sandbox of that particular plugin where you can test its features and various uses that can help you enable this plugin for your post as well. So as you can see on the screen, I've already enabled this plugin, and all I need to do is click. As you can see, I've already enabled this plugin for my sandbox through that demo I just showed you, and all you need to do is post an activity such as hi over here. Now you're going to click add a schedule activity over here and schedule activity. Now you can enter the desired date and the time for the activity to be scheduled at a later stage of your community. Let's say I want it to reach 14th of September at 12:15 p.m. I can hit next, and all I need to do is schedule this, and this post will be scheduled on September 14th at 12:15 p.m. I can change the date again by clicking over here, and I can allow users to see this post in profile or in group as per my needs. Now all I need to do is click schedule over here, and the post has been scheduled for a later purpose. Now I can access my different scheduled activities from within my profile in BuddyPress. Now I can access my scheduled activity by clicking the schedule activity option over here, and there will show. Now to access your schedule activity, all you need to do is go to your profile, and there's going to be a tab named as scheduled activities, and that tab will show you the different activities that are scheduled by you via post. Here you can see my profile has this much scheduled activities within the community. It can be either in profile or in groups. As you can see, September 14th, I scheduled this activity at a later stage at 12:15 p.m. Now, if I want, I can delete this or even pin this as well. So, BuddyPress Schedule Activity is a powerful tool to automate and enhance your community engagement. With its easy to use features, you can keep your BuddyPress site active and vibrant effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to maximize your BuddyPress and WordPress experience. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.